Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic oil filter. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and replacement parts ready for a smooth process. We will cover safely accessing the drain plug and filter, draining the old oil, and then installing the new filter. Finally, we will refill your engine with fresh oil and check for any leaks, ensuring your Civic runs efficiently. To begin, you will need a new oil filter and about 4 quarts of the correct engine oil for your Civic. Gather an oil filter wrench, a socket wrench with the appropriate size socket for your drain plug, and a large drain pan. Also, have a funnel, some clean rags, and safety equipment like jack stands or ramps ready. These items ensure a safe and efficient oil change. First, safely raise your Honda Civic using sturdy jack stands or ramps, ensuring the vehicle is stable. Place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Carefully remove the drain plug with your socket wrench and let all the old engine oil completely drain out. Once drained, use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until the gasket firmly contacts the engine block. Then, tighten it an additional 3/4 to 1 full turn with your wrench. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Finally, use a funnel to add about 4 quarts of fresh engine oil, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.